Hey guys, how are you all doing? If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Maureen Chinom. So to my amazing subscribers, to my viewers, I love you all. You guys have been amazing. So guys, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, if you're viewing this video and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel. Drop your comment on the comment section and give me some thumbs up, guys. Please don't forget to watch my video to the end. So in today's video, I want to carry you guys along. I'm unboxing our ring light. You get it now. So it's not just my ring light, it's our ring light, okay? So join me to unbox our ring light. So guys, let's go there. This our channel is going to the permanent site, okay? So we really need to get prepared, get the necessary equipment that will make our video look like, get to the top notch, okay? So we are unboxing our ring light, guys. So I think this is the ring light itself. I want to take it easy because I really need to be sure that it's actually working. So, and this is strong, and my husband is not around to help me. God. This is it. I think this one is the tripod, the one you will use to stand your phone. Okay. I think this is the ring light itself. I have this one should serve like what you will actually use to stand your phone. NEPA, they will not allow me to film this video. Don't worry, very soon our ring light is already here, so with or without.
A few moments later.
So guys, this is our tripod stand. This is the way it came. In case you want to expand it, don't just drag it so that you won't spoil your tripod or whatever, or ring light, okay? So in case you want to expand it, you have to roll out this screw that is here. Do it gradually, okay? So this is it. So for those of you that are tall or short like me, whichever one, in case you also want to make your ring light to be long, there is a screw that is here. You roll it out this way. So this is how it works. Hope you guys can see it. So this other thing, it came differently. So in case you want to fix your ring lights, so this is it. I don't know if you can see it very well. Okay. There is something that looks like bores here. I don't know if you can see it. With help of this thing, you can as well bend it helps you to bend your ring lights, whichever direction you want it to be, okay? So this is it. So I'll be fixing our ring lights here. Like I said, our channel is going to the permanent site, okay? So sorry guys, I have with the help of this, it will help you to fix your ring light properly. So I think it should be fixed this way. Okay, I am positioning my ring light now. Let me bring it down a little so that you see what I'm doing. Okay, I want to position it now. So this is what you'll be using to hook your phone. This is it. So I'll be fixing this. What's next? What's next? Okay. So guys, before I fix this other thing here, I need to use this one to put in here. I don't know if you're seeing me. Like this tripod stand, the ring lights, each product have a different pattern you can actually use to fix it. It's just for you to apply initiative, okay? So I'll be using this to tighten it up from here. Look at it. Before fixing it directly to my ring light. So I don't know if you can see there is a four corner space here. That is where I'll be fixing this particular um stuff that will help that will be holding my phone while filming. So guys, this is how it looks like. Like I earlier said, the ring lights don't have a direct charger, so it's just like a USB cord. That is to say, if you have power bank, you can actually use it to power the light. If you also have your laptop, you can also use it to turn it on if you have your charger head. Okay, so this is how the USB cord looks like. So we'll be testing our ring light to see how active or how it's working. Okay, so once you plug it directly, in case you want to turn it on, this is the remote. You control it from here. Okay, the remotes have on and off. Hope you guys can see it. We have different lights for the ring light. Hope you can see the difference now. This one is fluorescent light. This one is bedroom light. You understand what I mean? So in case you want to turn it off, it's from the remote. So you control it from here. Depending the kind of light you want, okay? You turn it on anyhow you want it. To me, I think I prefer this light. Okay, this one is better. This one is fluorescent light. So guys, this is how you can actually fix your ring light, okay? Oh, what are you going for? So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Please, if you're watching my video till now and you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, give me some thumbs up, and also drop your comment on the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye bye.